Hey everyone, David C. Anderson here coming at you from the Knife Center. And this weekend we're running a great sale on a bunch of Father's Day gifts that are in stock and ready to ship. Let's take a look at some of them now. Now's the perfect time to get a gift for the dads in your life, and to help you choose the perfect item, we've put together a new guide of great items that are all in stock and on sale. Don't get him a tie or a lame pair of socks. We make it easy to find that perfect gift, so there's no excuse not to get him something awesome. Although we sell a lot of other cool stuff as well, since we are the Knife Center, we'll start with a few great gift knives and we'll go up the scale in price so you can find something to fit your budget. First up is the Kershaw Rove, and at $17, this is an easy one to throw into your cart. This is a great working knife, and it's something that he'll be able to count on in a pinch. It has a versatile blade that's great for everything from home to the worksite and everything in between. And with speed-safe assisted opening, it makes it fun to open up over and over again. Moving up the ladder a little bit, the American-made Kershaw Leek is a modern classic, and it's a knife we love and that we love to recommend. The fine Swedish steel blade is a great cutter with a perfect shape for day-to-day needs. The stainless steel handles look fantastic, and they fit with almost any attire as well. So even if your dad works in an office environment, the Leek is a tool that he'll carry and appreciate every day for years to come. This isn't a switchblade, but it may as well be with how fast the blade deploys. Every dad needs a Leatherman, and the compact Skeletool is one of their best EDC designs, with only the most essential tools and nothing he won't need. You've got your pliers, modular screwdriver bits, a bottle opener, and a nice one-hand opening blade with a liner lock for safe operation. We're even giving away a free Leatherman No. 1 keychain tool with the purchase of the standard Skeletool. It's even easier to carry, and it can open bottles, drive screws, turn hex head bolts, and it's even TSA compliant. But what about Swiss Army knives, the original multi-tool? While supplies last, we have some inventory of the limited edition Huntsman model commemorating the Chinese Zodiac's Year of the Dog. And making it even more enticing is that it's marked down to half the original retail price. Even if your old man wasn't born in the Year of the Dog, this makes a great carry piece for any dog lover out there, with a cool illustration laid on top of the iconic red Swiss Army knife handles. And as you can see, it even comes with a nice gift box with some literature inside, and it'll definitely bring some wow factor when he opens this up. Now we're going to get into some real premium blades with American-made pedigree. Now, it's not often that we're allowed to put any Spyderco knives on sale, so now is a great time to jump on this fantastic lineup of Para 3 and Paramilitary 2 models with peel-ply carbon fiber handles. There are great EDC options, and they feature highly durable 52-100 tool steel blades, and the handles are designed to get some real work done, especially with the texture provided by that peel-ply pattern. If your dad loves the latest and greatest in electronics and modern high-tech gadgets, the Zero Tolerance 55 model will be the perfect thing for him. It has a wickedly faceted titanium handle, and that angular style carries over into the blade as well, which is premium S35VN particle steel, which is made in ways that only became possible in recent decades. This is truly a forward-thinking piece with plenty of style and capability, but if that isn't enough to make you want to pick up this knife for him, check out this opening method. It features a hidden flipper tab that hides within the handle until you're ready to deploy the blade. Pull it back, pop the blade open, and it disappears until the next time. A neat trick feature that you don't see too often, and will certainly set him apart when he uses this blade. The best part about this is that this knife was recently discontinued, so we got our hands on as many as we could, and we've marked them down to an absolutely phenomenal price on an American-made zero tolerance knife. As I mentioned at the top, we sell a lot more than just knives over here, including grooming, kitchen, and EDC items, and a lot of them make a great gift that he's sure to love getting. A great set of nail clippers is always appreciated, and we have the best in the world over here. This Concord Executive Nail and Toe Clipper set are heavy-duty workhorses that'll last a lifetime, and they're made in Seki City, Japan, which is one of the cutlery capitals of the world. They even come with a nice leather travel case to keep them organized so he can take them with him wherever he needs them. If you want to help your old man elevate his shave, we sell a ton of great safety and straight razors. This shave set from Merkur is one of our favorites, made in Germany in Solingen, another one of those cutlery capitals where things are just made right. It comes with a safety razor with black and polished chrome handles, a matching silver tip Badger shave brush, and a stylish stand that'll keep the items in shape and looking great when not in use. The best part is we've marked this down to just under $100, making it easier than ever to pick one up. Of course, a good puck of shave soap is the perfect accompaniment, and at only $5 right now, this Omega Italian shave soap is made with soothing eucalyptus oil, and it even comes with a handy tub that's suitable for travel. If your dad likes kitchen gadgets, you should check out this French pizza knife from Claude Doorzone. These are a lot more interesting than any ordinary pizza wheel, with a sculpted acrylic-like handle and a serrated blade for ripping through crust with ease. Beyond pizza, this even makes a great vegetable or cheese knife with a bit of style thrown in for good measure. Does your dad love camping, or is he the one stuck with yard work all the time? You can make it easier on him by getting him a Silky gunfighter saw. I can't say enough good things about Silky saws. They are simply the most efficient and fast-cutting hand saws that you can buy. These gunfighter models come with a pistol-style grip, a nice rigid sheath, and they're available in a few different sizes. And right now they're on sale, so be sure to scoop one up. What dad doesn't love a good flashlight? Well, we've marked down a selection of lights of all different kinds of sizes so you can snag a great deal for him. These photon lights are fantastic LED keychain lights, and they sit right around 10 bucks. It's a great thing to keep handy, and be sure to check out all our other great keychain gadgets while you're at it. If you want something a little bigger and a lot brighter, here's a couple options, each around 70 bucks, and they hit a nice cross section between performance and price. First is the ASP Poly Triad Tactical Light, which is made to take a beating and be lightweight in the process, and it lights up a room quite well. This is the coyote colored version, but there are a few different options. What's cool about this light is that the included battery can be charged without removing it from the body of the light. This part of the body screws down to reveal a USB port, and it even comes with a retractable cable so that he can always keep it topped off and never be without light when he needs it. A little fancier is the Beam EC35 with polished bronze body. This looks absolutely stunning, and it's waterproof and has a max brightness of 1100 lumens, an absolutely whopping number for such a small light. Because of the material, it'll be cool to see how this light ages as well, since the bronze will patina. No two will wind up looking the same, and your dad will have something special and unique to carry with him for years. Every dad needs a quality pen. It makes every little note that much more special. The Fisher Space Pen is always a great option, and we carry their full line. They were originally developed for the Apollo space missions, and these pens can write underwater, over grease, and even upside down. And with their Infinium series, which we have on sale right now, Fisher offers a lifetime supply of ink. Fisher says the ink cartridge is large enough that the average user will never run out, but if you do happen to run out, they'll replace the ink for free. That's a deal that's hard to beat, and with a finish like this, it's got the looks that'll last a lifetime just like the ink. These are just a few of the many great things we currently have on sale and in stock, ready to ship in time for Father's Day. To order any of these items or see what else is available, click the link below to go to our new gift guide page over at knifecenter.com.